Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to quickly show you this thing here. This is the Vifly Finder. Now this is one of the latest generation, and there's a couple of people who do these, but this is the one that I've got in. For those of you that fly drones in areas, multi-rotors in areas that have lots of long grass, you'll know that if you land in long grass they can just disappear. Particularly if it's as part of a maneuver and you land and the battery's ejected. Now what I always do whenever I'm building a quadcopter, this is the Fab Vifly X150. I did a review of this thing a while ago. This is one of my top two favourite little quadcopters, brush motors. This little thing doesn't know it isn't a 5-inch racing quad, it flies like it is. But it does include a buzzer, and that's really important because the smaller models you get like this will disappear in the grass even faster. The challenge is that the buzzer is powered by 5 volts that comes out of the flight controller that eventually comes from the flight battery. So if your flight battery is ejected in a crash, which very often happens, the buzzer stops working. So the idea with this latest generation of buzzers that's starting to come out now is this actually has a little battery on the back. So it has its own LiPo battery, has its own circuitry on board as well, and it's an awful lot louder than a standard buzzer as well. So the idea is that you wire this into your quadcopter or your multi-rotor, and the really nice thing is they've thought about the fact that on some systems it just has like a ground buzzer plus, buzzer minus, or there's other ways of doing it as well depending on whether or not you've got like 5 volts buzz. So dependent on the type of flight controller you have, you should be able to wire this up quite easily. But the idea is that you wire this in place of a standard 5 volt buzzer. It still operates exactly the same way, but if the battery is disconnected then it will start to beep. Now the early review versions of this is one of the production units, they were beeping for something like every 4 seconds. It makes a beeping noise, nice and loud, and it will do that for about 6 hours if the battery is fully charged. This retail version that I've got in here, which is going to go on my next quadcopter build, particularly for the endurance quad that I'm about to start again, I'm going to do a new series shortly. It beeps every 4 seconds for 2 hours, but then after 2 hours it actually starts to beep every 10 seconds. So the idea is that by doing it that way, it'll actually continue to beep for 36 hours. Give you a blooming long time to try and find your quadcopter. You just go in the direction of the distant beeping you can hear, and if you stand still for 4 or 5 seconds in the first couple of hours, you'll hear it beeping. After that, if you stand still for about 11-12 seconds, you should catch it beeping as well. So I just wanted to show you this. I'll put a link in the description. There's lots of other manufacturers who are making these as well. I happen to quite like Vifly stuff. I was impressed by this, so this is the one I've got hold of, and we will be installing it in that next quadcopter build. So if in the event it does happen to come down, I tend to lose mine in hedgerows rather than anything else, then at least I've got a chance of recovering it. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.